teachers. Here we are today to show you all how significant this using the properties of a well-written text and how does this influence to our everyday life.
Kulang pa ba na maisip kita, makilala at
Let's start on they called organization. Di ba na mo may idea about ano?
Yes, katulad nang i-organize ang mga information to prevent misunderstanding between the readers and the writers, right?
Yeah. Oh, kana di ay naman na sa katong lessons nato. Katong different patterns of organization.
Yeah.
First is chronological pattern. Ikaduha is spatial pattern, then ang last is climatic pattern.
Di ba ang chronological pattern kay mo, di ba na ang isunod-sunod na events para clear siya and right siya ang
Yep. Isa na sa different patterns of organization. Napod ang spatial pattern.
Wait, ang kanang pattern is helps the readers to visualize how things are arranged, which basically means that typically spatial pattern is a typical use of description to describe one's location.
Exactly.
So katong gipapilit daw sa atong classroom dahil kay it counts as special pattern.
Yes.
Tanawon na tagdo.
Dali na.
Nag-show siya og illustration kung asa ang room o kung siya nga floor sa building.
Modern na siya. Yes, sakto. Because nag-visualize man siya and it shows kung asa ang location or exact locations niya.
What about climatic pattern? Have you heard of it? This pattern typically used in exemplification, description, comparison and contrast, and analogy.
Wow! All these patterns really are essential kasi sa organization sa kay it makes kanang clear ang mga instruction or like mga location.
Yes!
Hanggang dito na lang pili ko
Kabantay mo na times na importante gyud magunaw na sa formality of language?
Yes. Yes. Importante magigay na siya. Especially for some situations that is necessary that we would be mindful of the language used.
That is so true. Kaya naman yung mga situations na kanang ang sa katao ni nila i-adjust silang self ilhang mga language gamit. Like for example, mga bata or kita maging comfortable ta sa isa't usa nga mag-chika kay usaya atong gamiton is informal, di ba?
Yeah.
But when it comes to older than us, we should use formal language kay kailangan nato sila i-address silang pangalan kay para dili sa mahimong walay pamatas.
Yes, kaya pang isa ka tao mo talk siya recklessly without thinking there might be a conflict that will be happen.
Tinuod yun. Kaya kung dili pod magunaw mura na magwalay respeto sa ubang tao.
That is why it is important na maguna-una kita kung kinsa ato ang mga readers kay para makabalusad ta kung sa ato gamiton na language. Like for example, if mag-use of informal, siguro kanarang mga close na nato, di ba, mubasa or yeah. And then kung whether it comes to kanang older na dyan nato or tayo mga professional, we should address them at whether name and kanang formal language atong gamitan.
Maliban sa ating dalawa nasa
Now for the dynamic duo, cohesion and coherence. So these two work together to make our writing flow smoothly.
Ang coherence naman ay about making sure your ideas connect logically. It's the big picture. Siguro man sad na dili mo ginahan na dili mo magkasinabot sa imo reader, di ba?
Yeah. Cohesion is like a glue that holds your sentences together and it makes everything flow smoothly. So now there are mga ways of how to make the cohesion. So which is the references, ellipses, lexis, substitution, use of cohesive nouns, and use of conjunctions.
It's like a good song. Cohesion is a melody and coherence is an overall message. You want it to be catchy and make sense. And finally, mechanics. This is where we talk about spacing, italicization, punctuation, and abbreviation.
Yeah. Good mechanics make your writing easy to read and understand. Think of it like good hygiene for your writing. Edi maging neat and clean na, and it makes a good impression.
Yes.
So,
There you have it: organization, language use, cohesion and coherence, and mechanics. The 4 pillars of awesome writing. Master this and you'll be writing like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.